Hey everybody, it is time to start Unit 5, and in this unit we are going to take a deep dive into quadratic functions. So we're going to talk about the graphs of the quadratic functions, look at the data that it represents in a table. We're going to talk about the functions in function notation, their equations, different forms of the equation. We're going to continue factoring and see how we can solve quadratic equations and quadratic functions by factoring. We're going to look at the quadratic formula. We're going to compare quadratics to linear and to exponential functions. So a whole lot of intense work in this unit. There will be 5 learning targets in this unit, and we will take the first quiz after we complete the first 2 learning targets. So learning targets 23 and 24 we'll have a quiz, then learning targets 25, 26, and 27. Please use this slide as a resource. There's tons of videos on the right-hand side of this slide that will help you with all of the learning targets that we will study in this unit. Good luck, and as always, let your teacher know if you got questions. We are here to help you.